Hi friends, my name is Hitarth and I scored 94% in 12th boards and 96 in accounts and economics. I really like the way Sumit sir teaches because he teaches with a perfect blend of his knowledge and humor. Joining this institute increases your chance of getting a great command over the subject accountancy. In the first book, yes, that threatening one, the partnership accounts, Sumit sir completes that partnership accounts at least 4 times. And in all the paces, that is slow and even faster for the more intelligent persons. And about the company accounts, he completes it really around 3 to 4 times. And even if you have doubts, you can take it personally. And yes, those test series, they really kept us motivating all the time, as we had a sense of competition, which helped us improving our performance and see the areas where we are lacking behind. And yes, of course, those motivational sessions. They proved really to be a great stress buster in the times when we feel low and when we are like we cannot do this. But the motivational speech of Mr. Sumit sir helped us a lot in attaining our potential and working very hard for achieving it. And those recorded lectures, the base institute is the only institute to provide recorded lectures, so that you can just get all those sessions which you missed because you're not well here itself. And after all this, that is expressing my views about this institute, I need not tell you that all the credit to my success goes to Mr. Sumit sir and Neha ma'am. And the first step, I would like to say the first step to achieve this success is joining this base institute for accounts and